What are we making, Bo?
The works fine. Put works and tinfoil in a 2-liter bottle. Get it all over that tinfoil.
Oh, think about that, good.
What's it supposed to do?
Blow up. Alright, we're good. We good.
How big is the explosion gonna be?
We're gonna level all this out here.
Oh, and I think this one right here is gonna be the master one, dude. Can you see it?
Well, put these up here.
I got some good stuff on my truck now. Still aim towards the floor.
Hold on, you got a different box in your truck?
The other one broke.
I know you said it broke. Where'd you get the new one at?
I built it.
Where'd you build it with?
Like the 2 sides that were over here, I just put new sides on each side. Come on, sucker, blow up.
Oh, think it's gonna blow up. Oh, you spinning that time, didn't you?
Oh, I see it starting to swell. I see it swelling.
Oh,
I see it starting to rise up.
I'm sorry. Oh! That was sick!